Based on result, out of 10 Filipino, ilan yung mahirap? And yet, that's how we manage people, that's how we raise our children. That's why my industry, hindi sila natutuwa sa akin kasi in all aspect, our result was crazy. In all aspect. I always tell my interns, if you want a big life, first things you must have, that's only 38%. Number 2, the biggest part here. Number 3 is, number 4, kilala kang Pilipino, naka 6 months lang sa Amerika, pagbalik dito, hindi na marunong mag-Tagalog. Well, I don't get it. Oh, kind of like mga pag-ganon-ganon na, di ba? Kasi again, theory of space. Which means, number 1, the environment where you live. I always tell my interns, if you want a big life, start with where you live. Yung uuwi ka, feeling mo ang yaman ko. Uuwi ka, feeling may swimming pool ka. So I did this in my interns. I call it the Rawai experiment. Why Rawai? Because they're living sa bahay. Sabi ko, bakit pag grabe yung brainwashing ko, pero pag tuwing uuwi sa kanila, pagbalik, lugbok na naman. Kasi bakit? Eto yung alam kong paradise, eto yung tirahan ko, parang hindi na nag-batch. Humanap kayo ng lugar, magkumpul-kumpul kayo, na uuwi kayong, wow, ang bango, ang ganda. I'm not saying you go to Forbes Park, I'm saying you go to Ayala Bank, but what I'm saying is, mahirap ka na nga, mahirap pa yung space mo, wag na. Kahit yung kwarto mo na lang, bili ka ng candle, bili ka ng light, magandang kurtina, because energy vibration mo nandyan eh. Clear? So that's very important, the environment where you live. Number 2, the environment where you show up. They have nice office, guys. My office is the nicest office. It can compete with the world's coolest place to work. I really spend a lot of money for space. Bakit? People show up every day there, Monday to Sunday. Tapos sa mga activity namin, mga payoga, mga kundalini, mga meditation. We're always number 1, we're always biggest and brightest. Environment where you show up. I think the biggest part here, number 3, is people who you hang around with. So if you're hanging around with people that you're the most successful there, you're in the wrong crowd. Feeling mo ikaw ng pinakamagaling. That's why I understand, no, the second and third kids of the billionaires, okay, they still have the grit. Because high school pa lang pinag-aaral na yan sa abroad. So pagdating nila dito, akala natin yaman-yaman, hindi, maliit tayo na isda. Kaya mayaman na, yumayaman pa kasi nga, iba yung kasama na sa mga Oxfords, mga Harvard, iba. Are you with me? Number 4, what you consume in social media. So be careful. So 55% of your transformation after meditation, that's why I really like you to have something to listen to every day. The same material. Ask me why. To rewire your language. Malalaman mo intelligent na tao based on what? Vocabulary. Sa dami ng sinasabi. The communication style. Again, these kids are not graduate of exclusive school, but they speak well, yes or yes? Even my driver, pwede? Mag-aral ka. Walang laman eh. That's why it's a requirement for them, one hour minimum. Kasi kung anong naririnig mo paulit-ulit, nagiging language mo. But you need to start speaking it out loud. But you need to hang around with people who uses the same language. Which means you do not allow people in your space na yung culture na hindi fit sa inyo.
Yes.
Kasi masisira kayo talaga. Mas malakas ang negative energy sa positive energy. Why? Because the world is so negative. Maisang marites lang dyan, sira ang buong team. This is a law, according to John Maxwell, when the 3, 4, 5 people are leaving, the 7, 8, 9 are coming in. So you know, when you're in business class, iba yung dating, you feel so good, right? If you want to attract business class people, first things, you must have a business class language. So again, be careful in your languaging, baka madala nyo yan eh. So languaging has to start, but it has to be experience. The environment where you live, the environment where you show up. The biggest part here, number 3, is people who you hang around with. Number 4, what you consume in social media.